Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, look at the beauty that I'm holding, the Appletini. Not your typical color, but oh my god, you guys, the flavor is amazing. If not, even better than that cheap stuff. So just forget about the old recipe with your sour whatever apple, none of that. Eve will be pleased to have this in her hand. She did buy the apple back then. So if you're ready to find out this recipe, make sure you stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off by getting both of our shakers. Put that over here, throw some ice in there. I'm gonna start off with 1.5 ounces, some gin. You can use any gin you like with this brand right here, you guys. Typically this recipe would call for vodka, but I love myself some gin. I just think it has better flavor, you know? Vodka doesn't really have a flavor for me, but gin does. Next thing you're gonna be using, you guys, is limoncello. I know, you typically use orange liqueur, 1/4 of it, but we're not gonna follow that recipe. We're gonna go with 1/4 ounce limoncello. It's really good by itself too on the rocks, really good. Next thing you're gonna use, it's 1 ounce of apple schnapps. Use any brand you like, but I stay true to this one, guys. This one is very delicious, so 1 ounce. The next thing you're gonna be using is apple juice, you guys. Got a hole on my other can, so I have to use this one. So we're gonna go with 2.5 ounces. All right, guys, 2.5 ounces. Next thing you're gonna do is cut your lemon. It's 1/2 ounce, you guys. There you go, perfect. 1/2 ounce. Then you're gonna follow it off with 1/2 ounce simple syrup. Get some good simple syrup as well, guys. So 1/2 ounce. Equal parts of your lemon to your simple syrup. Now we're gonna start shaking it a little bit. Before that, I'll dump my water out. Glass pre-chilled. Bam. Just shake it all up. There you have the condensation. Break it apart. Double strain, you guys. Bam. You might be asking yourself, but why, Alejandro? Why is this drink not super green? Don't worry about it, guys. The reason why is because I'm not using the cheap color freaking sour apple stuff. I mean, you could make it with that. It still tastes pretty good, but more natural, tastes better. Really flavorful. Now you're gonna get your apple slices that I had over here. Already pre-cut, had them in water so they don't go nasty. Just like when you cut potatoes for the kitchen when you're cooking. Same thing with these apples. I'll make sure they stay nice. Boom, get those cherries. Had an accident with my other cherries. Bam. All right, guys, so there you have the drink, the garnish and everything. Not the most important part of the whole thing. Oh, you guys, that sip. It's so delicious. You can definitely, the thing about this drink, it's sweet, but everything just combines together. It just tastes so good. If not, it's like probably one of my favorite drinks. The limoncello added to it adds way more flavor than just typical orange liqueur. It's like almost like a dessert, but not super sweet. If you're into dessert drinks or anything kind of like the sort, but not super sweet, this is definitely the route to go. All right, guys, so there you have it, the Appletini. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If there's any drink out there you guys want me to create for you, just drop it down in the comments down below. If I'm not too busy or out partying or drinking, I'll get to you as soon as possible. Remember, guys, please let me know about your drinks. I'm dying to know how to create new drinks, explore new things. Comment down below. Thank you. This is Alejandro The Mixologist, and I'll catch you in the next one.